Okay, so it's been a long time, but the weather's nice. It's a long weekend, and the coronavirus is taking its toll with everybody. So I'm back. I'm going to have a go at slipping in that piece of steel I got folded up by a mate of mine. I've just spent the last hour or so cutting it, so it's very, very close to perfect, as well as I could in some spots, not so perfect in others. I'm just going to put a tack in this corner because I want to try out this MIG I bought, and we'll see how we go. Well, that actually seems to be alright. I'll be able to work my way along and make sure it's all perfect and then tack it along. Okay, so it's pretty good. Now it's the finicky stuff of tack and position and repeat. Alright, so how does that look? I've only done the edges that join. I haven't done the lip that goes in there because that position isn't given yet. I want to make sure it's straight. And on this side you can see penetration, and then I'll have to clean it all up, make it all discreet. Now for this one I cut up ages ago in preparation to fitting it, so I'll just clean up with the wire buff again. I'll just put some spray on it to stop it from rusting in the meantime, and then we'll give that a go with my MIG. Alright, so it looks pretty crap, but I've got the majority of the spots done. Started stitching it together a bit, got a bit overzealous here, and I've left a ripple. I can feel it. Oh, so far so good. Clean up the welds a bit, come up alright. Still need some more. Okay, now I'm really going through these little gas bottles to do all this minor welding, and I've got a few issues on the inside here where the seams were very thin and I was just blowing holes. It's ground up alright though. You can see the waves I've put in the sheet. Most of it's come up pretty good. So to help me fill in the holes on this side, I've made myself up a bit of copper tubing crushed up in the vise to be able to put up inside, and now where you can see that, and I can hold it there and try and fill these holes. So give that a go. Okay, so I think the term is crude but effective. So that little bit of copper flat in behind what I could helped a lot of it from falling through. Didn't stop the holes from widening a bit, but certainly made it easier. Alright, that'll do. If I keep messing with it, it's just going to get uglier and uglier. The rest will have to be fixed with my favourite imperfection fixer, bog. But metal out, metal in. Lines aren't too bad. Okay, so as to be able to move on, I've given it a quick coat in primer, which is a zinc phosphate. Stop it from rusting, and then I gave it a few taps, try and get some of those lumps and bumps out, but overall it's not too bad. Wait for it to dry and do a bit more video. Back onto doing this back piece. I've gone gasless this time because I don't have to be that very clean or neat. Tacked along this side of the sheet this time, and I've done some welds to pin it down. That'll be its final position. And then I'll go you can see, I'm getting good penetration where it's coming through the sheet. Just a matter of keeping it nice and clean, adjusting the MIG as I go as the material gets easier to weld. There are some very thin spots that I'm going to have trouble with, but you get that.